We keep the lights on, the toilets flushing, the water running, and the sky from falling. So my name is Lilah Meyer. I'm the Regional Facilities Administrator for the Facilities Division. When we do give the word to start opening hydrants, I want you guys to just crack them. Tonight we are shutting water off to all of Lewis Complex so that we can do some underground water line repairs. We're going to be installing some valves, and then we'll watch our levels in our tanks, and if we're holding, then you can crack, we'll give the word crack it to half. We're rebuilding some very large pressure reducing valves. I will be the main point of contact for all those security so that I can keep the heat off of you guys and you guys can do your job. We're starting, so let's count revolutions on this one. 31. You can hear it. I have a lot of great staff who really are devoted to the well-being of the institutions as a whole. They're like a family. You keep giving me that eyeball, that side eye.
I think it's just his eyes like that.
Yeah. Every crew's got a different dynamic, and it's really neat to be able to assist these guys and help see them grow so that they're doing better for their institutions, which in the long run is better for everyone. Yeah, we haven't dropped even an inch. A typical day for me is 1,000 phone calls, 300 emails. So you guys can come down, going to site all the time, working in various different fields of expertise. It's about 50% brain work and 50% physical work.
They were already putting a PRV back together. It's already rebuilt.
The biggest challenge is truly trying to juggle infrastructure that has quite a bit of deferred maintenance from the years and trying to put together effective maintenance programs and do the right thing for everybody who happens to step foot on our properties. These are small cities. Some of them are completely self-contained. So you have to have a huge breadth of knowledge to be able to maintain the facilities so that they stay within compliance of whatever regulatory agency that you are working with. My favorite part of the day is when I have a win. When you do have a win, when you're with facilities, it's always a big win.
So happy on the way over.
People don't truly understand what these guys do behind the scenes. Without them, this place would not exist at all. Without a building, without water running, lights on, you can't house people humanely.